Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A31, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings. There we go. And from here, scroll down to storage, select your SD card, and in here you can obviously see format option. Click on it, and this will give you a message that formatting your SD card will remove basically everything from it. So if there is anything on your SD card that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of whatever that is before you select Format SD card. Otherwise, you will remove it permanently. Now, assuming you have already created a backup, or you simply don't want to, then click on Format SD card, let it run through. It only takes about like 5 seconds to 10 seconds max. And there we go, it's already finished, so you can select Done, close this, and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.